Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'm going to show you our Julia model. This bed is part of our firm Orthopaedic range, lovingly made in our workshops, designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence. As we sell directly rather than using retail stores, our prices are generally up to 60% cheaper than comparable models in the marketplace. Our Julia model uses our cutting-edge posture zone springs, using a firmer 12.5 gauge open coil wire for those wanting a firmer feel. The 10-inch deep mattress uses multiple layers of hypoallergenic fillings, which we quilt together with the mattress cover fabric. This ensures the firm feel of the mattress, but also allows for the surface to stretch and mould to the contours of your body, rather than making you feel like you're sleeping on a board. The mattress surface is our exclusive cool viscose fabric, which is 100% natural, allowing it to stretch to your contours and gives a soft and breathable surface, ensuring a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. The border of the mattress is quilted and has our unique firm edge support, maximising the sleeping surface and stopping any dipping to the mattress border. Flag stitch turning handles make it easy to rotate the mattress, and air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round.